kilometers with the violin and cycle. Uh, thanks to thanks to thanks to this lady 30 years back, our professor at Bandekar. 30 years back, we had done one event, as we call it, of playing the violin on the cycle. That time it was a normal cycle. Now it's a battery cycle. So that's the difference. I'm clarifying. It's a battery cycle. Okay, so that time we actually had a normal cycle, and on that normal cycle we did 30 kilometers non-stop. That time this elderly gentleman, most of you will know him as Tomasin Cardozo, theatrist. He was the MLA that time, and he had flagged it off. And this gentleman, people may not remember as of now, but Alan Dessa. So the Goa police had given us a lot of support. He was on the bike in two events. One was 30 kilometers in north, one was 40 kilometers in south. He had his assistant Lawrence D'Souza, but somehow Lawrence Saab could not come here. That was an event. Jonita, come here. My sister who was there with us 30 years back. Okay, and we did an event. That time I was in college. I was in second year BCom. Because of the support from the teachers, teacher Anita was there. She's not present for some particular reason. It was a program we did, and we were in the Limca books. And then in March we did it in south, and it was 40 kilometers. And then after some time I stopped playing. But now, due to the work we do, which is mental disabilities, we find that music and exercising is something which can help to reduce, to stop, or to control people from either acquiring mental disabilities or people who are suffering from mental disabilities. So till 2 years back, there was no violin and there was no cycle. My weight was about 87. And my wife, 30 years back, I went to call her. That time I didn't know her. She never, 30 years back when we did in South, I especially went to call her for North and South, and she never came. That time she was not my wife. Now after getting married to her, she's forced to come. So she cannot stay away.
I think you should get your children.
Yeah, we are getting ready. Put a stand and all. So basically is till 2 years back there was no violin and there was no cycle. A lot of people told me, "Arey, what? You given up?" And all. My weight was about 87, 90. Then it came to 85. And then I realized, no, I have a talent, and I should revive that talent. I also was getting stressed dealing with so many issues every day. And I used to get up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I was so lazy. I didn't have any motivation, although I was doing some work. But after I took out my violin, after I started cycling in the last 1 year, I have been able to get up at 6 o'clock. I have changed the stomach is gone in. It was very out. It's not like it's easy thing, sir. So I have been able to put my stomach in. I've been able to keep my mind under control. And this is David, come here. In the next 5 years, In the next 5 years, I am attempting to create the record. I am attempting to create a record where he's going to play the guitar on the cycle, and I am going to play the violin on a cycle. We'll have two cycles, two instruments. It's a 5 year dream. It's a 5 year plan. But before that, before I could, I had to show him. He has not seen it. So today he has seen it. Today he has seen it. He has seen it, and Gadi Bongar. He has seen it, and today we are working towards a 5 year dream. But my main message today is mental disabilities is rising. We have so many issues in Goa. It's 15%. This is an awareness program for our government that music, sports, exercise should be introduced to children at a younger level, and it should be made compulsory, because that is the only way we will be able to address the issue of mental disabilities in the next 5 to 7 years. Otherwise, we are going to have major crisis across the board with the newer generation. So we thank Vasco sir. We thank Goa Police, both Mopa Police Station and PI Traffic Mopa. There were many people who have supported me in the past. There were many people who have encouraged me. And one more special request: we were supposed to do this event on 25th of January, but due to mental stress and strict providence for funding reasons, we have delayed it. It was not. It was not. I was not motivated. Just 15 days back, Honorable CM has been kind enough to release our funds. That motivated me, and maybe in the next month we will try 10 kilometers. CM has assured, he has understood the word disabilities, he has understood the word mental health, he has understood the system that we require to have shelter homes. And if the money was not given to us 15 days back, this awareness would not have happened. So it is. I also thank God. I thank my parents, my late parents, who have encouraged me when I was 10 years old, as big as him. They used to beat me a lot. I
Because he was the
also,
youngest.
yeah, I also thank my first teacher in the music school, Francis Quadris in Saligaon Church. Then my next teacher at the late Father Joab Atis from Saligaon Seminary, and now then later it was Father Carlos Mendes. He could not come here because he of his some leg issue. So my message is very clear: music, sports should be encouraged to younger children. That is the only way you can keep your mental health under control. It is not only Western classical; it is Indian classical also. We have Digambar here.
Yeah.
Digambar is playing tabla. Actually, I forgot to tell him to bring his guy. He's playing tabla
Next
after
time we can join.
he's playing tabla after 35 years. So he was inspired that after 35 years he also could record his tabla, and it is good if we promote music in any form, whether it's a sitar, it's a flute, it's a violin, it's a tabla, organ, any instrument. And now, what I'm speaking, I'm actually going to show you. I made my two children. The third boy is big, but I made my two children last 3 years learn music and learn sports, and both are taking part for archery. Both are representing our state very soon. So I'm not only speaking and telling people advice. I'm saying I am doing it in my life. First of all, I'm exercising. I'm playing my violin after 30 years. My children are doing music. They are doing sports. So whoever is thinking of mental health in the future, you have only two alternatives. One alternative is sports in any form. One alternative is music, any instrument. Thank you so much.
First of all, I congratulate Donald for achieving this feat after 30 years. I am very proud of him because 30 years back he started this event in my village of Kanduli at Sikeri. At that time also it was a big success. And now I think he has given a lot of deep meaning to this activity, and that is the mental health of the children. And definitely, yes, all those who are on the sports field, all those who are in the music area, playing any music, are definitely mentally better than all other personalities in our area. So therefore, I feel this activity of Donald will give a good message for our children so that they are well versed in the sports activity, in the musical activity, and they also will keep their mental health upright, active, and of course, very useful for the society. I thank Donald for inviting me after 30 years to flag off this event, and I hope he will get all his dreams fulfilled in future because he has said so many things he is going to have in future. So I wish him all the best in future too. Thank you.
I thank Donald for inviting me for such a lovely occasion. 30 years back, we had our Honorable MLA of Kalangut constituency present in Sikeri along with Donald when I was police inspector in charge of Kalangut police station. A similar occasion was witnessed by me, and the same Honorable MLA Thomasin Cardoz had flagged off the occasion by Donald. It's a pleasure to be present here today, seeing Donald on a cycle playing his violin. What Donald has spoken, I am following his footsteps. I have also gone in music and also doing a lot of exercise. I am going to the gym. I was also 92 kilos. Now I have come to 87. And I'm a football player now for the veterans. I also play music. I play mouth organ. I play the bass. And it is very true that when you go in such activities, you tend to be young. I thank Donald and his family, and especially Bosco George, DIG, ex-DIG of Goa, for being present along with us for this lovely occasion. Thank you.
I'm very, very proud of Donald as a teacher, as a mother can be, because I have seen his growth. 30 years back, when he told us in college, me and my colleague Anita Haladi, that I want to, ride a cycle. I think it was a backward one, no? Once he tried something backward also, and with violin, and we were like, what rubbish. Because, we had never imagined this. And he said that I want to invite Limca Books of Record, let them come and see. And to me, it was like, okay, let's try it. And for us, it was like he was at that time not showing his extraordinariness. He was like a simple child, very talkative, and doing all the things which students do. But I think, and this is a lesson for teachers, in every child there is something which is hidden. And if you give them encouragement, see how they grow. I'm proud of him not only because of the fit, but the work he's carrying on for Goa and for people. And very, very, without, boasting about it, without glorifying it, he's continuously doing it and it is there in his mind. At the same time, when he is doing this, what is amazing is he is not neglecting his family, his children. So, this is something very nice, and every person who is doing something for the society also should remember that I have a family back home and I have to pay attention to that. So, overall, because of all this, I'm very, very proud of him, and I'm happy that he invited me. He sent me a car and said that you come. So, thank you, Donald.
See, we have tried to call all the people who were there 30 years back. Some have grown old or some. Ramesh Baba.
30 years ago, I wasn't so lucky. 30 वर्सांनी हांव गालफाक आनी जेन्ना हांवें केलें म्हाजो शेजारी म्हाजो इश्ट नेक्स्ट नेबर एक्चुली तेणी 40 किलोमिटर सायकल चलयली आनी सायकल बेश्टी चलोवंक ना हात सोडून तेणी रेबॅकूय वाजयलें वायोलीन आनी तो लिम्का बूक रेकॉर्ड्सान गेलो डॉनाल्ड म्हणजे एक मिरेकल कहें आमच्या शेजाराक सगळ्याक गजाल जाली की बघ्यालो डॉनाल्ड आहा पळय तो पालिकार जावं बिशपान एक दीस सांगलें पाद्रीकार आहा तो एकाच गांवाचो आसता पण तो आख्खे अर्द इंडियेचो जालो आजच्या तो मेंटल इलनेस आहा पळय जेंकां कोणाक फामील सुद्दां पळयना त्या मनशांक तेणी आपल्या फामिलीचे खंय पळयले तेणी शेल्टर होम्स केल्या 11 शेल्टर होम गोंयान केल्यान 2 तेणी मणिपूर केल्यान 3 तेणी महाराष्ट्रान केल्या 1 झारखंड केला आनी तांकां आपली मनशां खंय पळयल्या आतां सॅडली मेंटल इलनेस कोण घेवन बसना कोण जादूगारा कडेन वयतात कोण गाडयां कडेन वयता रमेश गाडया कडेन न्हू आनी तांकां गमना की हे मेंटल इलनेस आहा पळय ते डॉक्टरा कडेन वचपाक जाय तांकां फामिलीचो सपोर्ट जाय समाजाचो सपोर्ट जाय तेन्नाच हे क्युअर जातलें तेणी हालींच्या दिसांनी आतां ओवरस एक फार्म उगडला जे कोणाक चलोंक जायनासले ते मनीस ते फार्मान काम करता आनी ते आतां समाजाक लागून कितें करपाक लागले आनी ते फीट जावपाक लागले रिहॅबिलिट जावपाक लागले आमकां खूब अभिमान वी आर सो प्राऊड ऑफ डॉनाल्ड असले मनीस आमच्या समाजान खूब जाय आयज आदले फावट तेणी केल्लें लिम्का बूक रेकॉर्ड्सान आपणें वचपाचें मे बी तो गिनीज बुकानूय वचपाचो पूण आयज कितें करता पळय तो करता समाजाक लागून अवेरनेस करपाक लागून हे मेंटल इलनेस आहा आमी पेपराचेर कितें वाचता पयर आमी वाचलें चेड्याक मारलो आनी पांय जीव दिलो. हे मेंटल इलनस. ही मेंटल इलनसां घरान वाड्यात आहात. तांकां आमी अंडरस्टँड जायना, तांकां आमी डॉक्टरा कडेन व्हरना, तांकां आमी मेंटल सपोर्ट दिना तांकां आमी लोकां कडसून, आनी तांकां टायमार मेडिसीन दिना जाल्यार ह्यो गजाली वाडत वयतल्यो, क्रायम वाडत वयतली, डिप्रेशनां वाडत वयतली. आनी अवेरनसाक लागून जे डोनाल्डान आयज हे हात सोडून सायकल चलयलें, रेबेक वाजयलें 4-5 किलोमिटरान, वी आर प्राऊड दॅट वी आर पार्ट ऑफ इट. आमी तांच्या वांगडा गेले, आमी सकाळीं उठले आनी एलन साहेब मेळ्ळो, सर मेळ्ळे, आमची मॅडम मेळ्ळी, आनी इतल्या लोकां मदीं आमकांय दिसलें की आमी चानयेचो इल्लो वांटो हितून करतलो. वन्स अगेन कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन्स टू यू. तुजें काम व्हडलें जावं आनी तुजे कडून इन्स्पायर जावन आनी लोकूय फुडें येवन हे डिसेबिलिटीक लागून काम करपाक. देव बरें कर.
Thank you.